Hey guys, so I recently saw one viral video and I'm going to try that trick if it works for me too. So in that like a car was going on highway and there was a Flix bus in front of them and they were actually using the Wi-Fi of that bus. So I'm also going to try that and see if it works for me. It worked. Did you guys see that? This is the bus and now I'm using the Wi-Fi.